Feedback required problem easily and fast fixed. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps, go to the Instagram app. Here on this page you will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Open Instagram. Now this is the app informations page. As you can see, all what you have to do here is click on this option and then go down to the notifications, scroll down, open the more settings option. It will take you to Instagram app. All what you want to do here is make sure that the push notifications is on pause disabled. Go back and click on the storage, click on this clear data, clear cache, and that's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if the video was helpful, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end. See you later.